You underestimate the true power of the dark side.
Luke, you must fight the dark side. Do not let it consume you.
It is so hard.
Good. Let your anger flow.
I will never turn to the dark side! But how will I know the good from the bad?
You will know when you are calm, at peace. Passive force for knowledge and defense, never for attack.